Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm watch, effective until midnight Monday. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana: Fayette, Union, and Wayne, and the following counties in Ohio: Butler, Champaign, Clark, Clinton, Dark, Greene, Logan, Miami, Montgomery, Preble, Shelby, and Warren. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Severe thunderstorm warning for northern Logan County, Hardin County, northeastern Auglaize County until 9 p.m. At 8:13 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Bluffton to near Wapakoneta, moving east at 60 miles an hour. Hazard: $half-size hail. Source: broadcast media. Impact: minor damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Wapakoneta, Kenton, Ada, Fort Shawnee, Clydersville, Forest, Lakeview, Dunkirk, Alger, Waynesfield, Bell Center, Chippewa Park, Blanchard, Roundhead, Mount Victory, McGuffey, Ridgeway, Uniopolis, Patterson, and Dola. This includes I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 106 and 118. Thunderstorm warning for Shelby County, northwestern Logan County, northern Dark County, Auglaize County, southeastern Mercer County, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:43 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Spencerville in Allen County to 6 miles northwest of Ansonia, moving east at 70 miles an hour. Hazard: $half-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Sydney, Salina, Wapakoneta, St. Mary's, Fort Shawnee, New Bremen, Minster, Versailles, St. Henry, Newport, Crydersville, Enna, Fort Loramie, Jackson Center, Russell's Point, Ansonia, Botkins, Lakeview, New Knoxville, and Waynesfield. This includes I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 90 and 118. Severe thunderstorm warning for Shelby County, Champaign County, Logan County, Western Union County, Ohio, Hardin County, Central Auglaize County, northeastern Miami County, until 9:45 p.m. At 9:09 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Alger to near Piqua, moving east at 60 miles an hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail. Source: trained weather spotters. Impact: minor damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Sydney, Piqua, Belle Fountain, Urbana, Wapakoneta, Kenton, Fort Shawnee, St. Paris, Crydersville, West Liberty, Mechanicsburg, Enna, North Lewisburg, Fort Loramie, Jackson Center, Russell's Point, DeGraff, Botkins, Lakeview, and Alger. This includes I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 79 and 118.
Weather information. Where Miamisburg is located.
Locations has issued a severe severe thunderstorm warning for Shelby County, northwestern Champaign County, western Logan County, Darke County, southern Auglaize County, southeastern Mercer County, Miami County, until 10:15 p.m. At 9:27 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near New Bremen to near Fountain City, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, law enforcement. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Troy, Sydney, Piqua, Belle Fountain, Greenville, Tip City, West Milton, New Bremen, Minster, Versailles, Covington, Arcanum, Newport, Bradford, Enna, Fort Loramie, Jackson Center, Russell's Point, DeGraff, and Pleasant Hill. This includes I-75 in Ohio between mile marker 67 and 106. With 48 degrees under mostly cloudy skies. A severe thunderstorm 5 miles an hour close to the watch area. Chance of rain 100%. Severe weather may not be Monday, partly cloudy in the morning. Alert for rapidly changing weather conditions. And listen for later statements on possible weather. Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Shelby County, Darke County, southwestern Auglaize County, southern Mercer County, until 9:30 p.m. At 9:05 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles north of Fort Recovery to near Union City to 6 miles southwest of Winchester, moving east at 70 miles an hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Greenville, Salina, St. Mary's, Coldwater, New Bremen, Minster, Versailles, St. Henry, Newport, Union City, Fort Loramie, Fort Recovery, Ansonia, Webster, Wabash, Wayne Lakes, Russia, Gettysburg, Osgood, and Chickasaw. National Weather Service forecast for the Miami Valley of Ohio. Tonight, shower. Dollar signing. Much cooler with close to 150. Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Darke County, western Auglaize County, Mercer County, until 9 p.m. At 8:22 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from New Monroe to Redkey, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Salina, St. Mary's, Coldwater, St. Henry, Fort Recovery, Rockford, Wabash, Mendon, Osgood, Chickasaw, Burkittsville, North Star, Montezuma, New Weston, Yorkshire, Chattanooga, Kossuth, Tama, North Dayton, and Mariastein. Clear with lows in the upper 30s. Or if is possible. Thunderstorm warning for eastern Champaign County, southeastern Logan County, western Delaware County, northeastern Clark County, Union County, Ohio, northeastern Madison County, until 10:30 p.m. At 9:37 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles north of West Mansfield to near St. Paris, moving southeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Dublin, Delaware, Marysville, Urbana, London, Northridge, Powell, Plain City, West Jefferson, Ridgewood, Mechanicsburg, North Lewisburg, Ashley, West Mansfield, Troutdale Lakes, New California, Radnor, Milford Center, Shawnee Hills, and Ostrander. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 70 and 84.
That I developed as a part of their 24/7 operations. It helps them monitor threats in real time across
West Central Ohio. Now here's the official National Weather Service forecast. Some thunderstorms may produce small hail and frequent lightning. Much cooler with lows in the mid-30s. Northwest has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Shelby County, Champaign County, southwestern Logan County, Clark County, eastern Miami County, until 10:30 p.m. 100%. At 9:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Piqua, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, half-dollar-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles if possible. Locations impacted include Springfield, Troy, Sydney, Piqua, Urbana, Tip City, New Carlisle, West Newton, Northridge, St. Paris, West Liberty, Mechanicsburg, North Lewisburg, Brown, Harmony, Christiansburg, Northampton, Fletcher, South Vienna, and Tremont City. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 49 and 67. I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 67 and 92. Wednesday night, mostly cloudy. A chance of rain after midnight. Warmer, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the worst thunderstorm warning for Wayne County, Northern Bible County, Dark County, until 10:30 p.m. At 10:01 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Union City to near Cambridge City, moving southeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Impact, expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Richmond, Greenville, Eaton, Centerville, Arcanum, Bradford, Lewisburg, Hagerstown, Union City, New Paris, Ansonia, New Madison, Fountain City, Webster, Wayne Lakes, Gettysburg, El Dorado, Verona, West Manchester, and Greens Fork. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Indiana between mile markers 136 and 156. I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 0 and 14. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wayne County Monday for the following counties in Indiana. Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Champaign County, southwestern Franklin County, Ohio, northwestern Pickaway County, eastern Clark County, south central Union County, Ohio, Madison County, until 11:15 p.m. At 10:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Northridge, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Columbus, Springfield, Grove City, Upper Arlington, Hilliard, Bexley, Urbana, London, Jefferson, Northridge, West Jefferson, Mount Sterling, South Charleston, Mechanicsburg, Choctaw Lake, The Ohio State University, Lake Darby, Whitehall, Grandview Heights, and Obetz. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 52 and 104. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 81 and 111.